This Coldwell Banker Schmitt Real Estate Company property video is presented by Paul Tejera. Ocean views, proven rental income, across from Harry Harris Park and boat ramp. This 5-bedroom 3-bath gated pool home in a fabulous location just steps to the park. A very private and ample backyard with a pool and spa, round tiki hut, poolside bar and storage shed. Sit on the balcony with ocean breezes and have a direct and open view of the ocean. Proven rental with monthly income of up to $15,000. For more information, review the details below or contact Paul Tejera at 305-393-2156.